Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Jabra Evolve2 85. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and now click on your headphones to connect them. Cool. But if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset, so just move this power slider up to turn off your headphones, and now move it down to turn on it, to reconnecting them. And we did it. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add the headphones, so just turn off your headphones, now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and after that move this slider down until you can see that this LED light is flashing blue. Now click on your headphones here. And we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just press multifunctional button here and volume up button for at least 3 seconds. Now we can hear a voice prompt, then click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and now click on your headphones here. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!